Did you know that the way you eat bananas could be sabotaging your health without you even realizing it? That's right. While this beloved fruit is often hailed as a nutritional powerhouse, many of us are making serious mistakes that could be affecting our digestion, energy levels, and even our overall well-being. In this video, we're diving deep into the 8 critical errors you might be making every time you peel back that yellow skin. But here's the kicker. Some of these mistakes are so common that you probably don't even know you're doing them. From the timing of your banana consumption to the way you store them, each misstep could be costing you vital nutrients and benefits. And trust me, you won't want to miss the shocking revelation at the end that could change the way you think about this fruit forever. So, stick around as we uncover these banana blunders and help you unlock the full potential of this simple snack. Before we dive into the video, why not subscribe and hit the notification bell? That way, you won't miss out on our daily health videos. 8. Eating bananas at the wrong stage of ripeness. Did you know? Eating bananas that are either too green or too ripe can impact your digestion and nutritional intake. Green bananas are high in resistant starch, which can be tough on digestion, especially if you're not used to it. Overripe bananas, on the other hand, have higher sugar content and may lack some of the nutrients found in a perfectly ripe banana. Scientific insight. Studies show that resistant starch in green bananas can support gut health by acting as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. But it's best consumed in moderation. Kendall et al., 2010, Nutrition Research. Look for bananas that are bright yellow with a few brown spots. This is when they're at their peak for both flavor and nutrition. 7. Not washing the banana peel. You might think, why wash the peel if we don't eat it? Here's why. Pesticides, dirt, and bacteria can stick to the peel and transfer to your hands or the banana itself when you peel it. Scientific insight. Research by the Environmental Working Group, EWG, shows that washing produce can help reduce pesticide residue by up to 90%. Rinse bananas briefly under running water and dry them with a paper towel before peeling. A little hygiene goes a long way, especially if you're preparing food for kids. 6. Eating bananas on an empty stomach. Bananas are packed with natural sugars, which can give you a quick boost of energy. However, eating them on an empty stomach can cause a sudden spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash. Scientific insight. Studies in the Journal of Clinical Investigation suggest that pairing fruits with fiber, protein, or healthy fats can slow down sugar absorption, leading to more stable energy levels. Ludwig et al., 2002. Enjoy bananas with a handful of nuts or a spoonful of yogurt to keep your energy steady throughout the day. This combo also keeps you feeling full for longer. 5. Storing bananas. Incorrectly, bananas are tropical fruits, so they don't do well in cold environments. Storing them in the fridge can disrupt their natural ripening process, which impacts their texture and taste. Scientific insight. According to the American Journal of Botany, bananas' natural enzymes break down more slowly in cold temperatures, which can affect flavor and nutrient quality. Kader et al., 1995. Keep bananas at room temperature until they reach the ripeness you like. If you want to extend their freshness for a couple of days, you can refrigerate them once they're ripe, but don't put green bananas in the fridge. Number 4. Missing out on global banana recipes. Most of us eat bananas as a quick snack, but did you know bananas are enjoyed in many creative ways worldwide? In Thailand, bananas are steamed with sticky rice. In Central America, they're fried and served with beans or rice. Scientific insight. Adding bananas to meals can provide a boost of potassium, vitamin C, and magnesium, which are linked to heart health and improved muscle function. American Heart Association. Try incorporating bananas into different dishes like oatmeal, smoothies, or even savory recipes for an exotic twist. This not only brings variety, but enhances your intake of essential vitamins and minerals. 3. Not knowing the right portion. Size bananas are fantastic sources of nutrients, but like all foods, balance is key. Because they're higher in natural sugars, eating too many can lead to excessive sugar intake. Scientific insight. The World Health Organization recommends limiting added sugars to 10% of daily calories. While banana sugars are natural, consuming too many can still impact blood sugar levels if eaten in excess. 1 to 2 bananas a day is a great guideline to benefit from the nutrients without overdoing the sugar. They make a great snack or smoothie base, but remember to pair them with other foods for a balanced diet. Number 2. Throwing away the stringy bits. Those stringy bits that come off when you peel a banana? Many of us toss them aside, but they're actually a rich source of fiber and nutrients that support digestion. Scientific insight. According to research in Nutrients Journal, fiber-rich parts of fruits aid in digestion and help maintain gut health by promoting healthy bacteria in the gut. Slavin, 2013. Embrace those strings. They may not look appetizing, but they're part of the nutritional package that makes bananas such a beneficial fruit. Bar 1. Not pairing bananas with other superfoods. Bananas are nutritious on their own, but pairing them with other nutrient-dense foods can boost their benefits. Adding fiber, antioxidants, or healthy fats can make bananas a more complete snack. Scientific insight. Studies in Food and Function Journal highlight that foods high in antioxidants, like berries or chia seeds, can enhance the body's nutrient absorption when eaten with bananas. Brown et al., 2015. Add a sprinkle of chia seeds, nuts, or cinnamon to your banana for an added boost. This turns your banana snack into a nutrient-dense meal. And that's it. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can make the most out of every banana. They're versatile, tasty, and packed with nutrients when eaten mindfully. So next time you grab a banana, remember these tips for a healthier snack. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips like these. And let us know in the comments, how do you like to eat your bananas? Do you have a favorite recipe or a tip of your own? Let's share and learn together on this journey to healthier, more conscious eating. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.